Therefore, you are without beginning and without end. Not here, not here, beyond comparison and unconmeasured. You are without colors, without pain, without form and without attributes. You are unlimited, non-fathomable, beyond comparison and conception and impayable. You are unimpatiable, invisible and non-conceivable, and the non-conceivable is divine. You always will, always will be. You are in everywhere, you are in everything, and you are everywhere, you are everything. You are firmaments and depths. You are manifest and unmanifest, all planes and beyond all planes. You are in the three worlds and beyond three worlds. Jai Baba.